Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, you are most welcome. Thank you, God bless you. And if you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much for always stopping by in this channel. Thank you for always supporting me, guys. Okay, and if today is your first time of seeing me in this channel, my name is Vivian Arrows, the founder of OLYVEEN organic skincare. So guys, in today's video I want to show you guys how you can make a very good glow soap for your kids, a soap that will glow your kids, give them a even skin tone, and also brighten up their skin. It's not going to bleach their skin. Okay, please, this soap is packed with 100% natural ingredient. Okay, so this soap, guys, with this soap your kids are going to glow flawlessly. Yes, this soap is very lovely. Yes, already I have my soap here. I've already scooped out this soap from my soap base. Yes, I normally do my soap base. It makes my works more easier for me, guys. It makes work so easy for me when I'm working with my soap. It's more easier for me. I don't like pounding my soap. I don't like heating up my soap. I do my soap base down, then when I want to work with it, I scoop out the quantity I want to work with, then I go on with that. Okay, so if you, this soap base is, look at it here, I made this soap base that I scoop out this one from. I make it with fruits and every other good ingredients. Okay, so, and it's not difficult to make your soap base. And if you want, if you can look at there, you see fruits inside there. All right, and if you want me to drop a video on how you can make a soap base for both for adults or kiddies own, please drop your comments, okay, in the comment section, and I will do that for you guys. Okay, I will do that for you guys. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, guys, this is my soap base already. It's already very soft. Look at it here. It's already very soft. So what I have to do then is to add other ingredients. Okay, when you make your soap base, guys, believe me, it makes your work so easy for you. Believe me, it makes your work so easy. You don't need to pound, you don't need to heat it up on the fire, you don't need to just like that. Don't worry. If you want me to make a video on how you can make a soap base, drop your comments in the comment section, then I'll do that for you guys. Okay, so guys, now our soap is ready. All right, then we'll start adding our ingredients, our powders for this formulation. Okay, and please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please my loved ones, subscribe my channel. Support my girl, support me by subscribing to my channel, liking my video, sharing my video, and also turn on your notification bell in order to be notified each time I drop any video in this channel. Guys, without wasting much of your time, let's dive straight into this video. So now I'll be adding my orange peel powder. Okay, 1 tablespoon of my 1 tablespoon of my orange peel powder into the, I've added in my orange powder 1 tablespoon. Here I'm going to be adding my canwood powder. Okay, a tablespoon of my canwood powder. I'm going to be adding a tablespoon of my canwood powder, okay, to the mixture. 1 tablespoon of my canwood powder. So another powder I'm going to be adding is my oats powder. This is my oats powder, oats. Okay, I'm going to be adding 1.5 tablespoon of my oats powder, okay, to this mixture. And in here I have my goat milk powder. Oh my god, this goat milk powder, this milk powder is so lovely. Like, I love adding. This is 2 full tablespoons of my goat milk powder. So I have my licorice powder, my licorice roots. Okay, this is my licorice roots, 1 tablespoon of my licorice roots to the mixture. Okay, in here I have my rice powder. Yes, rice powder. I'm going to be adding this into the mixture. Just a tablespoon of our rice powder is okay for this mixture. This black soap is not going to darken the skin, it's going to glow and brighten up the skin. Okay, rice powder, I've added 1 tablespoon to the mixture. And here I have my sulfur powder here. sulfur powder is optional for this mixture. Please, I like adding it. Yes, it might probably make your soap smell, but guys, because of the usefulness on the skin, especially kids, so that is why I like adding it to their soap. Okay, so whether it smell or doesn't smell, what we need is the powder that does the work. Yes, so sulfur powder does the work in clearing kids skin, taking off rashes and or imperfection from their skin. Okay, so I added in a full tablespoon of your sulfur powder to this soap. Okay, so that's it. Okay guys, I will be adding my sandalwood powder, a full tablespoon of my sandalwood powder. This is my sandalwood. So guys, I've added in my sandalwood powder. Next I'll be adding my this is my neem powder. Okay, my neem powder. I'm going to be adding neem powder. Is very good for your kids skin, even for adult as well. I'm using 1 full tablespoon. Okay, for this neem powder, using 1 full tablespoon of our neem powder. So next I'll be adding my turmeric powder. This is our turmeric. This is pure Indian turmeric powder. Like, this is also available for sale. Okay, all these powders are available for sale. Okay, so this is original 100% original Indian turmeric powder. Okay, so I'm going to be adding a full spoon. No, this is too much. Adding 1 full spoon of our turmeric powder. So guys, we have added all the powders. You can see we have added all our powders. Okay, so we need to incorporate them together before we start adding our oils. This soap is going to glow your skin, your children's skin, guys. And this soap, believe me, adults can use it. Somebody that is a dark skin person can use it. A caramel skin person can as well use this glow soap. Okay, I mean adults. Okay, so it's going to glow the skin, leave it supple and flawless. It's not going to darken the skin, believe me, guys. It's going to brighten up the skin a little. So guys, we have really incorporated the powders. Okay, but we still need to do other mixing. But let's add the oils. Okay, now I have in here my mango butter. Okay, I'm going to be using this mango butter. It's going to help in moisturizing deeply to the skin. Okay, and this mango butter goes well in all skin types. This like one tablespoon of my mango butter is okay for this mixture. This mango butter is very very good. Okay, it goes well in all skin type. You can as well add your shea butter. Okay, you can as well add your shea butter to the mixture. It's still very good. Okay, then here I have my this is my fruit extract, the oil that I made in my DIY mixed fruit oil that I made. Okay, this oil, we have it in branded and unbranded. Look at it here. I have my fruits. This Kiddies glow oil that I made. This oil contains papaya, it contains carrot, it contains avocado. So it's all available for sale as well. So you can see it. This oil is very good and it's very rich. All right, you can as well place order for it for your kids. So this is what I have here. I'm going to be pouring this into the mixture. This is the fruit that I extracted when I was making the oil for the kids. That is so lovely, guys. Believe me, in here carrots, turmeric, papaya and avocado and all the rest. So it contains, okay, jojoba oil, almond oil, So I've added that into the mixture. So I'm going to be adding my mustard. This is my mustard seed oil. I'm going to be adding a tablespoon of my mustard seed oil. Tablespoon of my mustard seed oil to the mixture. And I'm going to be adding my almond oil. Okay, almond oil to the mixture. This is going to help in moisturizing their skin a whole lot. Seriously, it's going to moisturize their skin a whole lot. A tablespoon of my almond oil. Guys, this cup is a 15 ml measuring spoon or cup. Yep. Then I'm going to be adding my cold pressed coconut oil. A full tablespoon of my cold pressed 15 ml. Okay, this cup is 15 ml cup of my cold pressed coconut oil. Believe me guys, this soap is not going to dry their skin. Like seriously, it's not going. No, it's not going to dry up their skin. And here I have my 100% honey. Okay, this is my organic honey. This is my organic honey. In this you know, when making soap guys, honey is like the #1 ingredient, especially when you are making soap. Okay, black soap, you need honey. Like seriously, you need honey. Honey is a good humectant. We need honey. Like I'm going to be adding this spoon, three of it. 3 of this spoon. This is going to glow, repair the skin, glow and treat every skin problem. This soap is going to treat the skin, believe me guys. Here I have my jojoba oil. So I'm going to be adding my jojoba oil. My jojoba oil, I'm adding a tablespoon of my jojoba oil, okay, to the mixture. So guys, I'll be adding my red oil. This is my palm oil. Okay, this palm oil is a very good exfoliant. Okay, it's very lovely. When making your kids soap, try it out. Add palm oil. Even adult soaps do. It's very lovely. Okay, so added our red palm oil. Okay, our palm oil, yes, you added it into the mixture. So I'm going to be adding my sugar. I'm going to be adding sugar, just a tablespoon of my sugar, okay, to this mixture. This sugar is very good. Like when making your black soap or soap, guys, if you add sugar is a good exfoliant. Okay, natural glycolic acid is sugar. Okay, all right, this one is very good. Sugar is going to exfoliate the skin, but when you're adding your sugar, know your precautions. Okay, because if you add a lot of sugar to your soap, believe me guys, it's going to lose up the soap. Like it might turn out to be watering. So when you want to add your sugar, know the way you add. Okay, don't over add sugar to your black soap. But believe me guys, it's going to come out so lovely. Like sugar, when you add sugar to your black soap, after taking your bath, like you feel that smooth texture, smooth and glowing skin. Like seriously, you love it. The texture you're gonna get is gonna be wow you. Like seriously. All right, now we have really mixed everything together. Now is to put our vitamin E. I'm going to be adding our vitamin E capsule. So is this one I'm using? You can as well use any one you have. Okay, So guys, I've added in my vitamin E capsule. I added in a tablespoon, like 10 pieces of my vitamin E. Okay, that is equivalent to 1 tablespoon, 5 ml, okay, to the mixture. So now we have to turn this, incorporate this. Well guys, with time this is going to like solidify as well. Okay, if you cover it for 2 days, it's going to like solid. That is why you don't need to add too much sugar, guys. If you add too much sugar, it's going to be watery. Please, I'm talking from experience. Okay, so these have really incorporated very much. That is even when you are making your soap base, don't add too much liquid. Okay, for your soap to be able to take all the ingredients you need to add to it. Okay, so this soap is going to glow your skin. Like this soap, adults can use it like a shade soap. Adults can use this soap. Like somebody that have a caramel skin, a dark skin, a hot chocolate skin can use this soap, and it's going to glow, moisturize, and give you that flawless looking skin. Okay, and kids also can use this soap, guys. Okay, kids is going to unify their skin, it's going to glow their skin. All right, and please, if you're using this soap for kids under 1 year, don't add the sugar. Okay, don't add the sugar, don't add the rice powder. All right, so every other ingredients are all the ingredients you use in making this soap, all the ingredients are 100% pure organic. Okay, they are all 100% natural. So this soap is so safe for your kids, for adults as well, who doesn't want to whiten or lighten up their skin, who just want to brighten up their skin, who want to glow their skin. Okay, adults who want to just have that glowing and flawless skin. Okay, this soap is good to go. All right, the oil the oil I added in here is this oil, and this is my DIY Kiddies glow oil. This oil is what I use in making this oil. This oil contains papaya. I use papaya fruit, avocado fruit, I use carrot fruit, and turmeric fruit. So in making this oil is very lovely. So this is the oil I added. Then my coconut oil, jojoba oil, almond oil, mustard seed oil. So all those are 100% naturals, and all our powders are so natural. Okay, so this soap is good to go for your kids, even for adults who doesn't want to lighten up or whiten up their skin. This is just a brightening black soap that glows the skin. Okay, so guys, we also customize soap for your kids, for adults, whitening soap, brightening soap, lightening and glowing soap. So anyone you want, you can as well place orders. Okay, so this soap is also very much available. You can make this soap and sell, guys. Believe me, this is good to go. Like, this is packed with fruits and every other good ingredients we need. Okay, and your children needs to glow. Okay, so guys, we have come to the end of this video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a good thumbs up. Yes, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video, and also turn on your notification bell to be notified each time I drop any video in this channel, guys. And also feel free to share my videos to your lovely ones, families, and also in your social medias. Okay, thank you guys, and see you guys next in my next video. Bye bye.